said I want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with ISEE hair once more. You guys know how I feel about ISEE hair. Since recent times they've really upped their game, and that's just it's no longer even a surprise. Like, I'm just happy to be getting another package from them today. So let's get into it. You know, their packaging is so cute. I love this box. Can't get old. Lovely packaging, guys. Lovely. Just so professional. And then they basically put everything inside the paper here. As I open it, I see the wig first, and then for goodies they put this bonnet in, and the bonnet has all the goodies inside of it, and it's branded as well. So I got another pack of these lashes. It's 6 pairs that come in here. Really cute, and different styles, of course. Also, I got this information ISEE hair booklet thingy, how to care for your wig and stuff, and just basically telling you about the wig that we're about to get into today. So yeah, nice and informative. And then I got a pair of, you know, HD wig caps, and then I got the replacement accessories, 3 combs and an elastic band. It's listed here, so in case any of these things fall out of your wig or if they're worn out, they sent replacements. So I think that's really cool. So you see elastic with the silicone area and the comb. Yeah, I got another one of these amazing upgraded lace closure wigs from ISEE here. Now let me tell you, I showed you guys just one wig with the same construction previously from ISEE here, and they're the only company so far that has provided the quality of the glueless wig like this, because there's so many things that are different. First of all, this is a 9x6, a 9x6 lace closure size wig, guys. It is already everything for you: pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-tinted, super customized. You don't have to do anything to this wig. It's everything, right? It looks so natural, and it's a beautiful HD lace. This is a glueless wig, guys, so you don't need any adhesive whatsoever to apply it. It's very beginner friendly. The knots are very much like bye-bye knots, close to invisible. All right, and this is how it looks. It's a very wide space to work with, so you can get a really nice deep part with a lace closure size like this. Also, you know, there's a lot of stability with this wig, because the way they construct it, you know, everything on the inside allows it to be so fixed to your head. All right, so I love that. No slipping, no shifting of this wig once you apply it. All right, so I love that. Literally the best wear and go, and it's listed here on their elastic band. The elastic band added to this wig is adjustable, so you see that it is adjustable. You could go ahead and adjust it to how tight or loose you want it. I like my wig pretty snug, but not to the point where I have a headache. All right, and inside here it has combs. Now there are 3 combs in the cap, guys, and they're all removable. They're all removable, so I don't know if you can see, but literally you could remove it if you want. I know for some people they don't like combs in their wigs, you see. You can remove it or you can reapply it. They have like loops that they put in, and it even says it here on the label. It says remove me, and it's optional. Yeah, all you need to do is pop it right back in like so. Okay, and you're good to go. But I love a comb on the back of my wig cap like this, especially a dome construction, because then the back of your wig can be fixed to your head back, if that makes sense, so it won't be flopping. You know, it's very secure in the back. I feel like that's so important when installing a wig, to ensure that the back of the wig is fixed to your head. Okay, so that's how that looks. Also, I think what's game changer with their cap, guys, is they made sure to incorporate a C shape at the ear portion. So this is where the wig sits right around your ear, and usually it would just be straight across like right here. Sometimes that can be a little uncomfortable depending on the wig size, but if it's a little bit, you know, big or loose, this shape right here allows it to sit comfortably around your ears. So I love that. So there's so much things that are different about this glueless wig, and why I think it's a solid 20 out of 10. I highly recommend. Like, I'm more than impressed with this type of constructed glueless wig, and it is game changer. Now this is a curly wig that we're working with today, and it is 18 inches long. It is so full, it's so soft, it's silky, these curls are so tight and pretty. I love them, guys. So, you know, a really nice medium fitted cap along with these combs and an elastic band, I feel like are a great combination for the perfect wear and go wig. All right, perfect for all my beginners and people who don't have all the time in the world to go to a salon and sit down and wait for your wig to be installed, or to even take up hours to do it yourself, but you just want to slip on something and go and look great. ISEE here got your back. So now that we've been through all of that and I show you guys all of that, let me go ahead and do this very quick and easy install, okay? That alone is a 10. Straight out of the packaging, you just slip it on and it's as easy as that. As easy as 1, 2, 3, and then literally, let me show you. You literally just take the comb in the back and you just slip it under your wig cap just like that. Shake test, because it's secure, okay? It's on there. It's a 10. Also, it's not thin, it has body. Okay, it has body. See here, definitely switched up the game with this kind of wig construction. It's perfection, guys, and I'm not just saying this because, you know, I got this wig, or, you know, it's my second time working with guys. From the very first time I worked with them on the first wig, from the very first one, for the very first week that I got with this construction, I was blown away. I was blown away because what? The C cut out at the side. So usually for your average cap, it would just come straight across like this, and then you'd have to probably put it behind your ear. But this, it is constructed where it has that C shape to just sit right behind your ear, and it's just flawless. They thought through everything and it just came together so effortlessly that it makes it simply one of the best glueless wigs on the market. I need to show you guys how much you can get a nice deep parting with this. So I'm just gonna part throughout the lace and show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. What you're seeing here is just my wig cap beneath. So yeah, don't mind that. Look at that. Yeah, it's not 9x6 for nothing, okay? It really isn't. All right, it's perfection. Like this in its dry state, the more you run your fingers through this, the bigger it gets. So if you're a girl who loves big hair, big curly hair, this wig, yeah. But I'm just gonna tame it with some water. You could definitely do a wet look with this as well. I'm just gonna retame this with some water, you know, because I also want to show you guys how it looks once you get it wet. So that's what I'm doing. So this is what I got in terms of shedding so far, and that's because I feel like it's such tight curls. Usually when you have curly textures, you know, based on how much you detangle and stuff, that dictates how often the hair sheds, or how much it dictates how much the hair sheds and stuff, so you want to be mindful about the maintenance of the curls and just be sure that you know, detangle those curls. Okay, so that's me. That's it. That's all. Literally. Throw on. You can literally just throw on and go. I love it, and I recommend, I feel like, the best to you guys. So yeah, there you have it. That's it for today's wig look. I hope you found this informative, and I mean, if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or anybody else, then the direct link is in my description box. That's the first link down there, so go ahead, check it out. Also, you know, Black Friday is right around the corner, so you know there's a lot of deals, a lot of discounts and stuff. So go ahead, check out my description box for any deals that they might have going on their website or on this wig, you know. Go ahead, check it out. Yeah, but that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just big up on yourself. Bye.